Hello friends, today we'll be changing cabin filter, which is this Crossland cabin filter for BMW 520D. And let me open this. So the cabin filters are here. One is here and another one is here. And it's pretty dirty, that's why I'm replacing it. But I need to make sure this all dirt, we clean this one first. That's right. So let's clean this and we will change these filters. So let's open this now. It's a clip here and there's one more clip here. We just need to pull it, yeah, and the filter comes out like that. And you can see it's pretty dirty. This is gone beyond its age. And let me show you the original one, which I will be changing. You can see a difference.
You can see, even under the cabin filter where there is a space, it's very dirty. So this is the filter which we took out, and just press a little bit inside. I'll pull this out, and look at how clean this is. This will give a new life to the car. So it's a little bit of extension, so we bend it and slide it in here, and that's done. And just make sure everything is clean, and this goes back again. There are clips here, so this clip should go in all these holes. And we can just lock them up. So this is not going anywhere, so that's installed. So this is from Eurocar parts, cabin filter, which costed me approximately £7. Usually it's £14. You just need to bargain from eBay, Eurocar, AutoTac, anything online. You know, you get the cheapest one, it's all same. And you can see, like, that's pretty bad. It is pretty bad. Let's do the another one. You can come over this side if you want. And that's the one, another one which we are taking out. This comes out, and I don't want to really shake it. It's really dirty and dusty. What I want is to clean again this part of cabin filter. Same way we will install another one. We can bend this one. Perfectly done. It seems like a little bit big, but slowly and steadily. And this goes back again here. And it's all done. So you can imagine how dirty this was, and we replaced with a new one.
I hope you like this video. it might help someone who wants to change cabin filter. If you got any suggestions or any comment, please leave, because we do appreciate even good or bad views. Please let me know. Thank you.